Today our topic is we have to estimate sum and difference in this chapter. Okay, means any questions how to estimate sum and difference. Estimation means what? Roughly we are able to tell nearly the actual thing. Okay, actual means normal subtraction or normal addition, after that whatever sum or difference you get, that is actual thing you got. But estimation means what? You are predicting, not actually predicting, you cannot say, but it is like roughly nearly equal to that particular amount. That is what you call it as estimation. Now in this chapter, what is the process to take out estimating sum and difference? It is written here. To estimate sum or difference, first of all we have to round off each of the number. Means suppose we are adding, then what are the addends that we have to take out, do the rounding. Now rounding of the numbers we have already read in our previous class, how we round to tens place or hundreds place or thousand place. In our previous class you have already learnt about that. So here first of all we are doing the rounding and then we are going to do the estimation. Okay, so in case of sum, when you take out sum means you have to think about addends, and whenever you do subtraction means two things will come, that is minuend and subtrahend. There rounding you have to do individually. Now how the rounding is done again? If suppose the rounding is given already in your question, that is round to nearest tens or nearest hundreds or nearest thousands, accordingly you will do the rounding. But many a times the rounding to which place is not provided to you. In that case what we will do? We will choose the number which is having less number of digits, that is the smallest number. We have to take out the greatest value of the smallest number, and all the numbers and each of the numbers you have to round to that highest place of the smallest number. Okay, like for example we have from exercise 3F number 1 bit A I have done. See here, in actually if I will add 93 plus 142 I get 235, normal addition. Now rounding of how I have done, you see 93 is the smallest number and it is only 2-digit number. And what about 142? 142 is a 3-digit number. So this 2-digit number has to be highest place, means it's tens place. So both the numbers we are rounding to nearest tens place. So 93 is rounded off to 90, 142 is rounded off to 140, and then we have added and we got the answer as 230. I hope this is clear. Let us do one more question from the exercise. Now we are doing this next another question from the same exercise. This is 1 bit F. Okay, here also is the same actual again, but we are doing subtraction here. Okay, here the number of digits are same, so both are rounded to 1000 place. So 2079, if it is rounded to 1000 place you get 2000, and 1482 when it is rounded off to 1000 place it is 1000. Now after subtracting, here you get the actual difference, and here you get the estimated difference. That so you can see the difference here, it is 597, it is 1000. So I hope you all have understood how we are doing the estimation. Now let us see this question from 2 bit H. Okay, here you have to take out estimated difference of 7198 and 6092. This is the actual difference which we have take out. 8 minus 2 6, 9 minus 9 0, 1 0 1, 7 minus 6 1. This is the actual difference you have got. Now we have to round off to tens place both the numbers. 7198 in rounding to tens place we get 7200, and 6092 when we are rounding to tens place we are getting 6090. After subtraction we got here 1110. Okay, so in this way we are supposed to do this estimation of sum and difference. I hope you all can do the other questions related to this exercise. Okay, there are so many questions from 1 and 2. Please solve this. Okay, so thank you.